Okay, we got 1929 Model A souped up, of course. See, you got a little 29 on the front plate there. And you look at the directionals; they're like incorporated in there, like you'd never notice them, like the orange paint. Yeah. So and you got the 3 deuces on here, or 3 one barrels. I'm not sure, 3 deuces. Chevy small block or something. Chromed up. Stock, you know, this is actually a stock suspension. You can uncork it too. See down there, you can uncork it if you want to. Your automatic, orange and like a tan interior. So no fenders required in the state of Florida, not like you're up in New York or something like that. I never saw this car down here, so a lot of these cars sometimes they just show up for the first time when I show up here, and it's like every time I show up here there's cars I've never done before. And nice touch with the orange, the chrome rings, and the hubcaps like that. You know, it says Ford in there. That's sweet. I always like that color coordinated wheels with the chrome rings on there. You can uncork that baby and really and your headers. It's got an electric fuel pump. You can see the block off over here for where the mechanical pump would go, and the alternator is mounted way low. It's interesting. Guess you could have mounted it higher or lower. It's because it's smarter like that, because then you don't notice it, you know. You just see the engine. That's sweet. That's another nice touch too. You notice how the fuel setup is coming off the firewall, and you got clear hoses too. You can see the actual fuel going into a nice loom on there for the fuel hoses. Double clamped. You need that. She's got an electric fuel pump back there someplace. There's your automatic transmission filler right there for, you know, the automatic. Sweet, man. Sweet car.